Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So first of all, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this feature icon for Shield. By tapping on it once, you can enable this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. You can customize its settings by disabling this adaptive option by changing it to the custom. Here you can, for example, change its colors, temperature, and you can also set a schedule for this mode. You can, for example, set it from sunset to sunrise, or you can set up your custom time for start and to end of this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.